Before kami bumiyahe pabalik ng Bacolod City, we decided to have our lunch here at Prince Bakery, located here at ground floor SM City, Iloilo. I remember the last time na pumunta ako dito sa Iloilo, nung maliit lang siya na stall dito sa SM Iloilo. Ngayon, meron silang place kung saan pwede kang mag-dine in. Dito mo kainin yung mga favorite mong bread kasi yung bread nila pwedeng pambato ng bread talk. Maliban sa mga breads nila, nag-order din kami ng chicken fillet, fish and chips, and I did not expect na meron ka ng fries, meron ka pang rice. And then my son and my husband ordered this fried chicken, and alam nyo ba na they have a ton of choices pagdating sa breads. I'm telling you that their breads are malumbok ang namit nila. So if you're planning to visit Iloilo City, don't forget to try Prince Bakery here at SM Iloilo. So ang hotel ko, 9 out of 10.